Hello, everyone. I'm Alicia. Welcome to Mission Vocab. Today's advanced English vocabulary word is arbitrary. Arbitrary is an adjective that means based on personal choice, preference, or chance, rather than a clear reason, consistent rule, or fair method of deciding. For example, the teacher's arbitrary decision to cancel the assignment surprised the class because she gave no explanation and had followed a different rule the week before. Employees complained that the new seating policy felt arbitrary because managers could move people without explaining what standards they were using to make those choices. Choosing the winner by drawing a name from a hat was arbitrary since the result depended on chance rather than skill, effort, or performance. Synonyms for arbitrary include random, capricious, subjective, and unreasoned. Arbitrary is often used for rules, decisions, and limits, and it emphasizes a lack of clear or consistent reasoning, not merely an unusual choice. That's arbitrary. One word, stronger English.